Enhancing cars by applying anti-noise materials is a process that starts simultaneously with the manufacture of cars. As a rule, manufacturers place bituminous materials on the floor of the car, and what reduces noise is a thick carpet covering the whole floor. We may complement the vibration-absorbing layer with our material, premium 3 or 4 mm thick. To attenuate noise, you can use 4 mm thick tempo fix. To be placed easily on the floor surface, any vibration-absorbing material should be in flexible condition. That means that the material must be firmly warmed up by the heat of a fan. We put it on the target place and press it out. Here the surface is razor flat, so there is no need of applying much strength. After that, we remove the protective cover and stick the material. And again, no air bubbles. To achieve maximum contact, use a roller or a piece of wood. The correctly installed material should entirely repeat the shape and outline of the car bottom. In the front part of the passenger compartment, where the floor turns to the bulkhead of engine compartment and the front wheel arches is adjoined to it, it is highly recommended to use more heavy material, premium 4 mm thick, the same as for rear wheel arches. So the floor vibration will be absorbed due to the applied premium 3 mm thick material. Let's switch to the second layer, the 4 mm thick tempo fix. And that material will absorb the rest of noise and work as a heat insulator. Remove the protective film from the cut in advance piece of material and stick it to the target place. Thus, we are treating the whole floor surface.